Beechcraft has been awarded an $88.2 million contract for 4 T-6C Plus training aircraft, maintenance and pilot training for the Argentina Air Force, the U.S. DoD said on April 25. Argentina requested a possible sale of 24 Texan trainer aircraft last year for an estimated amount of $300 million. The T-6C Plus is an improved variant of the T-6B trainer with hard points, and primarily designated for export sales. Eight F-35A Joint Strike Fighters, airmen and accompanying equipment arrived at Royal Air Force Lakenheath, England, April 15, marking the aircraft's first overseas training deployment to Europe, the U.S. Air Force Press Service announced on April 18. The F-35A is the conventional takeoff and landing variant primarily intended for the U.S. Air Force. It is the smallest, lightest F-35 version, and is the only variant equipped with an internal cannon. According to local newspapers, Bulgaria selected the Yas-39 Gripen fighter jet to replace an aged fleet of MiG-29 aircraft. The Bulgarian government announced on April 26 to open talks with Saab for the purchase of 8 fighter jets in a deal estimated to be worth about $836 million. The Gripen is a single-engine multi-role fighter manufactured by the Swedish aerospace company Saab. The Gripen is currently in service in Czech Republic, Hungary, South Africa, Sweden, and Thailand. The French Defense Ministry announced the attribution to DCNS of a contract for the development and construction of 5 FTI mid-size frigate surface combatants, intended for the French Navy. DCNS will propose a French version of its new Bellara frigate, which was unveiled at Euronaval 2016. A world-class frigate displacing 4,200 tons, the French version of the Bellara is designed to respond to the various French national needs. It will be capable of anti-submarine warfare, anti-air warfare, anti-surface warfare, as well as the support of special forces missions. Last but not least, the FTI will integrate the new TSLM fire radar, and will be equipped with Aster 30 surface-to-air missiles and MM-40 Exocet anti-ship missiles from MBDA. Developed for crews that will take the commands around 2020, the Bellara frigates will benefit from the very latest digital technologies. They will be equipped with the latest generation combat system. This will bring greater rapidity for tactical analysis, decision-taking and weapons deployment. Huntington Ingalls Industries, Ingalls Shipbuilding Division launched the amphibious assault ship Tripoli, LHA-7, from its floating dry dock on Monday. The launch was accomplished 13 weeks ahead of the original construction schedule. Tripoli, the second of the America-class amphibious assault ships, was translated to the company's floating dry dock on April 8 and, after some prep work on the ship's hull, was launched on Saturday. The next ship in the class, Bougainville, LHA-8, is scheduled to start construction in late 2018. Tripoli will incorporate an enlarged hangar deck, enhanced maintenance facilities, increased fuel capacity, and additional storerooms to provide the fleet with a platform optimized for aviation capabilities. The ship is planned to be christened later this year with delivery planned for late 2018. Ingalls is currently the sole builder of large-deck amphibious ships for the U.S. Navy. The shipyard delivered its first amphibious assault ship, the Iwo Jima-class USS Tripoli, LPH-10, in 1966. Ingalls has since built 5 Tarawa-class ships, 8 Wasp-class ships, and the first in a new class of ships, America, LHA-6. South Korea's Defense Acquisition Program Administration, or DAPA, released for the first time some information on the development of a new high-precision land attack missile, called Tactical Surface Launch Missile, or TSLM. Intended for the Republic of Korea Navy, the TSLM missile is designated as Haeseong II. According to DAPA, the TSLM missile was developed in 2011, and from 2016 started being deployed on ROK Navy vessels in a variant designed to be launched from canister and topside inclined launcher. TSLM may be launched from the existing launchers of the SSM-700K Haeseong, Seed Star, anti-ship missile. DAPA also announced it has completed the development of a TSLM variant intended to be launched from the KVLS, Korean Vertical Launch System, now fitted aboard all new South Korean surface combatants. Serial production of this version of the missile will be launched in 2018 with deliveries starting in 2019. DAPA did not elaborate on the design and characteristics of the TSLM missile, but it can be guessed that it is heavily based on the existing Haeseong, designed and manufactured by the South Korean company LIG Nex-1. The two missiles appear to share the same body, turbojet engine and range, up to 200 kilometers. TSLM guidance system, apparently, is INS-based using GPS correction. According to the DAPA release, the TSLM missile is equipped with a submunition warhead with cumulative fragmentation elements, capable of striking an area covering the equivalent of 2 football fields. From this it can be concluded that the main purpose of the TSLM missile is to defeat the positions of North Korean artillery and missile systems,